Finally, the day has come, fellas. Going to the exhaust shop. We'll see how it sounds like, what it sounds like. This guy's nice. Tow guy, I'm gonna follow him in my Shelby. Let me grab the O2 sensors real quick. Yeah, I'm following the tow truck driver, but I got a little bit late, a few minutes behind him. But the street shop is down the street from my house, following him in my Shelby. This thing is extremely loud. We'll probably do a review on this soon too on the channel. But today it's all about the BMW. Can't wait till the exhaust is done and then, you know, drive the car around, sort out issues, whatever issues that I'm having. Yep, we'll get back to you guys. Looks like the tow guy is already there. Right here, he's right here. This is the shop. Pulling up on them. I think I'm excited, guys. Excited for my car. The shop, they do all type of work. They got a bunch of DTRs, a couple of GTRs. This S2000. That's my buddy right there. Thank you for the tow, man.
What's up?
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
No problem,
Yep.
no problem.
Yep. So I'm gonna load this bitch. I'm gonna change the bumper later. Exhaust shop. They got a bunch of cool cars here. GTRs. They got more GTRs to the side. They got like Trans Ams and all type of stuff. Guys, coming back from the exhaust shop, just driving home. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 5 days later. Exhaust shop just took so many days. My gauges don't work, only the gas gauge works. I'm gonna try to get everything sorted out. It looks like my mileage doesn't work, like this part. This thing doesn't work. It does not read the gas mileage, is like how many miles it got. Maybe I'll need to address that somehow. Don't know why, how, but I will have to do that eventually. All the lights are on. Surprisingly, check engine light isn't on. Is the engine still there? You know, this thing is quiet. I can't even tell that, you know, there's something is in there. All these things work. Everything works as expected for now, but yeah, we'll see. It's a little bit noisy when I turn. Power steering pump, don't know what it is, but I think I should be able to figure that out, sort that out somehow. Eventually we'll get that figured out. Maybe maybe I don't have enough air in the front two tires or whatnot. Don't know what the issue is over there, but should be getting home, you know. All right, guys, I am home. Right, the baby's home. It sounds so quiet. Hey, can you start it? Can't even tell, like it's a BMW or Mercedes. Wait. Can't even tell. Go ahead, kick it on. 1 second. Go ahead. Other than this right here, can't even tell from the back. My fan hasn't kicked on yet. But I don't know. You can't tell, bro. Press the gas a little bit. That's it. Can't even tell. I have to fix the little pedal. The fan hasn't kicked on yet. Fan hasn't kicked on. My O2 sensors are in.